Did you know that a simple spoonful of baking soda can transform your garden? From boosting plant health to deterring pests, this kitchen staple is a gardener's secret weapon. Let's dive in to discover 10 amazing benefits of using baking soda in your garden. Number 1. Natural pest repellent. First on our list is its effectiveness as a natural pest repellent. If your garden is facing problems of aphids, ants, or beetles, you know how these pests are dangerous for your plants, and baking soda can be used to keep your plants safe. Mixing a spoonful of baking soda with water and a few drops of dish soap creates a powerful solution. Spray it on affected plants to keep away these pests. Unlike chemical pesticides, this mixture is safe for pets, kids, and beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs. Number 2. Fungal disease prevention. Fungal diseases like powdery mildew and black spot can weaken your plants. Baking soda is one of the best options to rescue the plants. If a simple mix of 1 tablespoon of baking soda in a gallon of water sprayed weekly, this can prevent these fungal disease. The alkaline nature of baking soda alters the pH of the plant's surface, making it inhospitable for fungal spores. Number 3. Enhancing compost. Composting is a fantastic way to recycle kitchen waste and enrich your garden soil. However, sometimes compost can become too acidic, which slows down the decomposition process. Sprinkle a bit of baking soda into your compost bin can help neutralize excess acidity. It speeds up the breakdown of organic matter and reduce unpleasant odors in compost. Number 4. Sweetening tomatoes. Hey tomato lovers! Did you know that baking soda can sweeten your tomatoes? Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda around the base of your tomato plants, which lowers the soil's acidity, which in turn reduces the sourness of the tomatoes, making the taste of tomatoes sweeter. Don't apply overdose, as higher dose can harm your plants. Number 5. Cleaning garden tools. With the passage of time, garden tools can accumulate dirt, sap, and rust, which reduces their effectiveness. A paste made from baking soda and water can work in this situation. Apply this paste to your tools, let it sit for a bit, then scrub and rinse. This will not only clean your tools but also extend their lifespan, ensuring they remain sharp and efficient. Number 6. Weed control. Weeds are the off-type plants which grow out their actual place and create problems in your garden. While pulling them out by hand is effective, but it requires a lot of manpower and capital, baking soda offers a less labor-intensive solution. Sprinkling baking soda on weeds can kill them without harming nearby plants. The sodium in baking soda dehydrates and destroys the weeds, which prevents them to grow in your garden. Number 7. Freshening up your garden paths. Garden paths can sometimes develop a musty odor, especially in damp or shady areas. Baking soda is excellent for freshening up these areas. Simply sprinkle it along the paths, let it sit for a while, and then sweep it away. This will absorb the moisture and neutralize odors, which keeps your garden smelling fresh. Number 8. Testing soil pH. Appropriate soil's pH is a very important factor for healthy plant growth. There are commercial kits available for testing pH of soil, but you can test soil pH at home with the Hilep of baking soda. Mix a bit of soil with water and add a spoonful of baking soda. If it fizzes, your soil is likely acidic. This can suggest you in making necessary adjustments to create the perfect growing medium for your plants. Number 9. Treating plant burns. Just like humans, plants can suffer from burns, especially when exposed to harsh sunlight or chemical fertilizers. A solution of baking soda and water can soothe these burns. Spray the affected areas of plants to recover more quickly. That allows them to return to their healthy and vigorous growth. Number 10. Extending flower life. Last but not least, baking soda can help to extend shelf life of cut flowers. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the water in your vase, which keeps your cut flowers looking fresh for a longer time period. This simple trick helps maintain the water's pH balance, which reduces bacterial growth and ultimately keeps your blooms beautiful. These are 10 incredible benefits of using a spoonful of baking soda in your garden. So next time you're in the garden, use baking soda once and see the magic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!